the UK property market has always been an attractive asset class to invest in. Standards of living are generally high, and the demand for homes in recent history has continually outstripped supply in all sectors. The advanced and highly regarded British education system has attracted high levels of attendance for hundreds of years, from both British nationals and overseas students alike. Places at UK universities are highly oversubscribed, leading to a demand for accommodation that the universities cannot sustain. In light of this constant demand, student accommodation has been a rich source of income for institutions and private landlords for decades. However, in recent years, a severe lack of funding has seen many institutions lose their own halls of residence in favour of privately owned halls and houses of multiple occupation, or HMOs. The Housing Act 2004 introduced the need for licensed HMOs, meaning that substandard and shared housing had to be brought up to a certain standard, forcing many landlords to increase the rent on their properties in order to finance the improvements. Fast forward 5 years, and today's students are more commercially aware and demanding a higher standard of living. The inability for existing university-owned accommodation, or HMOs, to provide this level of comfort has led to the appearance of purpose-built, privately owned student developments, which can cater for everything a student desires, all under one roof. This increase in the quality of on-site facilities is a major selling point for a student, which, if they're happy with their accommodation, means they'll generally stay in the same place until the end of their course. Investing in student accommodation, as opposed to more traditional forms of property, offers investors the opportunity to own an asset with the attractive combination of minimal void periods and higher than average yields. A complete hands-off investment, student accommodation residences are expertly managed by companies experienced in this sector, and coupled with assured rental periods, which are usually set between 1 and 5 years, investors can earn an immediate income on their investment. With the popularity for a British education showing no signs of abating, the demand for student accommodation in the UK will continue to deliver strong returns for investors looking for a healthy addition to their portfolio. Having successfully delivered numerous developments in the student accommodation sector, we pride ourselves on the quality of the projects we source. The benefit of living in a ready-made community is an extremely attractive proposition for students. These well-managed developments have all the facilities and amenities more likely to be found in a hotel. Gymnasiums, games rooms, high-speed internet, media areas and coffee shops are just a few of the assets to be found, making them stand out from the competition as the accommodation of choice for students in the area. Working closely with a select number of established developers experienced in building student accommodation projects for the private investor market, we are confident in the quality of the products we deliver